Welcome to Orage Technologies, your go-to destination for cutting-edge IT solutions. Today, we have some valuable insights to share regarding SaaS security. 5 SaaS security tips for third-party risk management. Third-party risk management. In today's digital world, third-party risk management. In today's digital world, a reliance on third-party vendors, especially in the realm of SaaS, brings about various security challenges. We often find ourselves dealing with the uncertainty of data exposure within our SaaS supply chain. That's where third-party risk management or TPRM comes into play. What is TPRM? TPRM is the process of evaluating and managing potential risk posed by third-party vendors and service provider in the SaaS domain. It helps us discover and mitigate various risks, including cybersecurity concerns, data privacy, vulnerabilities, and more. 5 tips for SaaS security through TPRM. Now let's dive into 5 essential tips to ensure SaaS security through TPRM. First, identification and categorizing. Firstly, it's crucial to discover and categorize third-party connections. This helps us understand potential security threats. Leveraging SaaS security posture management technology like Wing Securities solution make this process seamless. Second, due diligence and assessment. Proactively access third-party security controls, policies, and procedures to ensure they meet required security standards. Third, ongoing monitoring. Continuous monitoring is key. Regularly access third-party performance and security practices to stay ahead of evolving risks. Adopt a security solution capable of providing real-time updates on vendors' information. Fourth, incident response. Have an effective incident response plan in place. Receive near real-time threat intelligence alerts in case of security incidents related to third-party connections. Fifth, documentation and reporting. Maintain detailed records of the TPRM process, demonstrate compliance with security standards. Leverage SSPM solution to manage the inventory of SaaS application and generate comprehensive reports for audit purposes. Consequences of neglecting TPRM. Now, neglecting TPRM can have serious repercussions. Cybersecurity breaches from vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities introduced by third-party vendors may compromise sensitive data, lead to financial losses, and harm the organization's reputation. Compliance issue can result in sustainable fines and legal liabilities. At Orage Technologies, we are committed in providing the best IT solution from data security to cyber security. Subscribe for more insightful content, like, share, and comment. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.